Right, I've figured out what I'm going to do with the C100 now. I'm not going to ride it because that little engine, with it being only a 50cc, I'm going to get what, 20 mile an hour out of it? So I'm not going to register it. I'm not going to ride it on the road, but I have got it to a state where it's running, and I'm just going to keep it as a classic bike and let it go up in value. Might potter around on it every now and again, but not on the road. So all I've got to do now is put all the missing pieces back together and get it sorted. Just pull my finger out and get it done. So that's what I'm doing.